I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth after getting out of bed. I wash my face. I stretch when I wake up to start my day. I make my bed to start the day. I check the weather forecast for the day. I fill up my water bottle before leaving the house. I go for a morning jog. I eat toast and eggs for breakfast most days. I drink a cup of coffee while reading the news. I dress up for work. I comb my hair. I put on some makeup for work. I drive to work every day. I arrive at work by 8:30 a.m. I start my day by organizing my tasks. I work on a project for a few hours in the morning. I take a lunch break at noon. I chat with a colleague during the lunch break. I talk to my boss about upcoming tasks and deadlines. I send out any important emails before the end of the workday. I drive home, listening to a podcast. I stop by the store on my way home to pick up groceries. I call a friend or family member to catch up. I relax on the couch and watch TV for a while. I prepare dinner for myself. I enjoy my dinner. I load the dishwasher and wipe down the counters. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen. I do laundry after dinner. I clean the home. I organize my closet. I iron my clothes for the next day. I set aside time for self-care in the evening. I create a list of things to do the following day. I make sure my phone is charging overnight. I read a book before bed to unwind. I set an alarm for the next day. I lay down and close my eyes to fall asleep.